Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nora, the Stock Explorer. This is Littles. We're here today to show you how to navigate some free resources that are on the Webull desktop app. Now, this is going to be a quick video, but I'm just going to kind of give you a spin around the Webull desktop app. Now, before we get started, if I could ask you to smash that like button, it helps my channel out tremendously, and the Littles will give you 2 paws up. Thank you so much for stopping by. Guys, check out this app, okay? All of this is free to use without even having to click login, okay? All this information is up for you to check out, okay? So go ahead, and if you click on the market tab, I already have it open, you'll see that you can scroll around and see how the S&P 500 did, how the Dow Jones did, how the NASDAQ did. It's all a nice little visual chart here up in the top left-hand corner. What I want to feature here is hot industries. Now, if you're a new investor and you don't know what type of stocks you might want to buy, and you want to kind of see what the hot stocks are or what the popular stocks are in a particular sector, you can go down to what's called a heat map. Now, you can find these on a lot of the platforms. It's not unique to Webull, but I'm going to show you this. Down here, you click on hot industries, right? And over here, it's going to show you 3 of the hottest industries and some of the hottest stocks within those industries. So of course, big one, renewable energy, and then you can see some of these stocks under that tag and the price movement that they've had, you know. And then of course, if you want more information, you can double click and it'll take you to more information on those particular stocks. Next one's leisure products. Of course, Peloton, it's a big one, T2 Interactive. And then holding companies. Now what that's going to show you is the SPACs, the popular SPACs that are the sort of like the topic of conversation as of late. It's going to show you a list of all the top special acquisition companies or SPACs or holding companies. And as you can see, top one on this list, which is a new hot SPAC, and you should put this on your radar, LGVW. You want to go ahead and check that out. I'm not going to go into detail on that, but if you're interested in these, now these are very volatile and very risky, just to put that out there. I'm not a financial advisor, but I want to let you know these holding companies are the hot thing now. But not all of them are 100% guaranteed that they're going to play out the way you think they are. Sometimes there's a lot of delays, okay? So just be aware of that and don't put money in those that you can't afford to lose, okay? So we're going to go back to the heat map, and we'll start at the top with renewable energy. Now you can start looking around and seeing all these great renewable energy stocks. Of course, Plug, everybody's heard of that. And all the other ones, and it's going to be laid out here in a visual format. I'm more of a visual learner. I like to see things graphically. You know, I remember them better that way. So some people like these heat maps because you can, of course, see green, good, red, not doing so good for the week. But it's got it all laid out here so you can kind of have a quick snapshot of the whole industry and how things are doing. Of course, the darker green is the ones that are doing the best. The lighter green's not as good, like this one might be about to turn red, might be right on the borderline, right? Okay, so the next one, you're going to go to leisure products, huge one, Peloton, you know, and then just scroll around. You can kind of see which ones are doing good and which ones aren't. Hasbro's doing really good. Holding companies, again, these are the SPACs. These are the speculative special acquisitions. Be careful with those. Biotechnology, look at that, guys. Those are green across the board. Now, today is November 22nd, 2020. This may not be like this next week, but right now, because we have the pandemic, all these bio companies are kind of taking a spotlight and doing very decent right now. Okay, uranium also doing rather decent. Not something you always hear people talking about. That's a great thing about these resources. You can go in and learn so much, and this is free for you guys to check out. Metals and mining, green across the board. What does that mean? Well, with the EVs, okay, you know the batteries need these natural resources. They need these natural metals. They need these mining companies to increase production of these metals so they can create these, batteries with these different elements in them, right? So you look, green across the board, guys. That's another great industry to kind of keep on the radar. Office equipment, and then of course automobiles, and in that is of course your EV stocks. So you're gonna have your old true faithful American GM, Ford, and you're gonna have your other ones. You're gonna have your NIO, Li Auto. Nikola is making a comeback. Be very careful with that. Hog is doing good, Harley Davidson, and then so on and so forth. Okay, and then as you go down, you can see a few other categories, but that'll cover your big ones, okay? And then, go ahead and scroll around. If this is a platform you're thinking about using, go ahead and explore. Look around, click on different things, see what it says. There's a ton of news articles that are always inside all of these apps. Go into the particular stock you're interested in, and then click on news. Click on analysts. Click on all these different tabs that will give you a well-rounded picture of the stock, okay? So much free information, guys. It's all right here for you to use. You just got to sit down and browse through it. Grab a cup of coffee and go ahead and start taking a look around. Now, if you're interested in getting in Webull, I have a special link for you in the description. If you click on that, you'll get 3 free stocks right now. Some of them can be worth up to $1,600, and I also get a free stock because I'm an affiliate, okay? So guys, please check that out, and please give my video a like and subscribe. It helps my channel massively. I want to give a shout out to all my traders in the Capitalist Academy team, and I'll put a link to that in the description as well, guys. Have a great week. Be safe, and I'll be talking to you soon. Peace.